everyone. Hope you all are doing absolutely great and you are taking care of yourselves and your family. So if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Chitranka and I post content related to flat lays, photography and basic tips and tricks, and I also talk about things that I feel like addressing. So if that interests you, then stay tuned on this channel and welcome to this space. If you are here for a time being now, you know that I have started this thing called Let's Talk Wednesdays, where I talk about things that I feel like talking about, if that makes sense. So in my last video I talked about why keeping hope is really important for all of us. Looking at the current scenario, it's really important for all of us to have faith, to have hope. So as you already read by the title of today's video, I'm going to be talking about why is art essential. I know this sounds like a chapter of an English book, but I thought I should address this topic because for me art has been biggest part of my life. It greatly influences me on a day-to-day basis, and I thought that I should talk about this topic. Generally we don't realize the importance of art or whatever surrounds us. We just tend to ignore it, and there is nobody's fault in that. It's just something that stays in our subconscious and we don't realize it. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. What is art? For me, art is something that literally surrounds us. Whatever we see around us is a form of art, starting from a curtain to a bookshelf to a table to anything that surrounds us, to the painting on a wall is a form of art. Art is not only limited to paintings or sketches. It's something that surrounds us. Like whatever we see is a form of art. It has been existing since time immemorial. In early times also, cavemen used to do cave paintings. It's not something that they learnt in school, right? Something that inculcated in themselves naturally. And also art influences us, our daily lives to a great extent. Like shapes our culture, traditions, our ideas. Knowingly or unknowingly, whatever we see or how we perceive things is also greatly influenced by a form of art. It really defines a personal style. And talking about personal style, in my previous video I talked about how to find your true aesthetic or how to find your personal style and the steps related to it. If you're interested in watching that video, link is in the description box. You can check that out after watching this one. Art is present everywhere. Art is present in our home, starting from a teacup to a candle holder to a decorative centerpiece on a table to a painting on our walls, to color of our walls, to the curtains, to bed sheets, to everything that we see in our homes is a form of art. Our brain is conditioned to think that these all are decorative things and these can't be art, right? Now if you sit and think while I'm saying this, you will realize that these all things are also a form of art. So whenever we visit a mall or we visit a shop, we tend to get inclined to decorative items, right? We just want our homes to look really aesthetic and really nice. Art is also a part of our lives, like art and music, right? Music, same as art, is also an universal language. Like if you are sad or if you are happy, whatever you are feeling, if we listen to music, it just calms us from within. Like it just boosts our productivity. It makes our life extremely joyful. When we are sad, we look at things sadly, and if we listen to music, even if that's a calming music or our favorite music, anything just lifts up our spirits and our perspective to see that thing changes, right? You all must have noticed it sometime or the other. We don't see that in general it does affect our moods to a great extent, and it also motivates us. Like if a thing is not working or if we are not good at a thing, when we are sitting in general listening to a calming music, it just provides a sense of ease from within. It just lifts up our mood. Also the fashion or poetry is also a form of art. Like way we style our things, the way we style our rooms or wardrobes, or the way we style ourselves also is a form of art. Like we all have divided these into different categories. Like any stanza or lines that depict something is a form of poem. Our personal style or how we dress ourselves is fashion, and the paintings that we see is art. But in general, these all things is a form of art, and we have to realize it's important, and we have to come to terms with realizing that this is also influencing us on a day-to-day basis. So there is also site-specific art, like in hospitals also, and there is a good painting. Patients that went to treat themselves really calm from within, either they are going through a difficult phase in their life. Whenever they see a really good form of painting, they have that sense of calmness from within. And also there is hospitality art. Whenever tourists visit any hotel or any restaurant restaurant, there is a good form of art that depicts their culture or a tradition. They come to know that yes, this is their culture. They tend to ask the local people around what this art depicts, and that improves the communication skills as well. It also engages the tourists throughout their stay. And corporate art like offices, there is a good form of art. It boosts the productivity of the workers working there, or inspires them to keep on working. The main motive of me making this video was to help you realize that art influences us on a daily basis, whether we realize it or not. Whether it's a painting or a music or a video, it really impacts our mood, it really impacts our productivity. People think that science and technology are superior to art, but no, art is as important as technology and science. Honestly, art makes our life worthwhile. Just imagine a world without any form of art. It would be so boring, right? We would be living a monotonous life and we won't be realizing the beauty in whatever we see or whatever we perceive. In this fast moving world, with us having fragmented thoughts, and art helps us to hold on to moment, because when we realize the importance in little things, it helps us to understand our emotions, it helps us to heal, to grow, and to help the people around us. If you're happy from within, the people around you will also be happy, and it also helps us to heal. Like whatever we are going through, if we come to terms to realizing that this is gonna go, this is gonna pass away soon, then we can heal ourselves from within and nothing is going to affect us, right? And that comes from having a sense of peace, having a sense of finding or appreciating the beauty around us. And also through art, we get a better understanding of our traditions, our cultures. Whenever we visit a new place, we realize how that culture is formed and how that influences their people, all of that, and that helps to build very fruitful and complete lives. So yeah, it really increases our productivity, it really influences our perspective of how we see things or how we react to things. Whenever we start appreciating the things, that really helps us, that makes us happy from within. So yeah, I hope you have taken something or the other from this video, and if you did, then please comment down below that you like this type of content. Don't worry, eventually these things won't be boring. I'll come up with some interesting real talk Wednesdays as well. But yeah, we should talk about topics that need to be addressed. We should talk about things that we don't talk in general, right? So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot, and hit the notification bell right besides that, so that you get notified for an upcoming video on this channel. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. Until then, take good care of yourselves and stay happy, and try to appreciate the beauty around you. Bye guys.